Hello, hi everyone. Today I am going to show you one of the enterprise use case. So that is how to call Python script from Power Apps using Power Automate. Okay. So so this is the Power Apps. Just for demo purpose, I have created very simple app. Okay. So here from the stock market inside this one I have added one more screen. So here see you can see here the data. Uh, okay, it's not aligned properly, but it's okay, fine. So see here I took for sample, for this call purpose I took couple of um, cement industry related data. I took cement industry related data, and here I have placed uh, from our India major all cement companies share prices and what is the current price percentage change. Just I took only few things here I'm showing. So this data it is connected from SharePoint. So the backend SharePoint is there, and then here how this data it is updating here means, so I built one of the small web automation code. See, this is the Python script I have written. So what it do using the Google Finance, it will yeah, Google Finance, it will connect. See here you can see the site from the Google Finance, it will connect. Then yeah, so I'm passing the arguments from here. Let's suppose one of the see here I have for testing purpose here in the if condition stock name. So this is my stock name I am passing into the Google Finance. There it will pass this name and it will place in the search box the name, then hit enter, then it will find the particular company name. It will open, extract, and then it will update into the Excel file. Whenever it update into the Excel file, then automatically one of the flow it will hit here. Okay. So once we extract the data, then Excel file, the Python itself, it is updating here. This first in the second row always replace. Whenever the line item here updated, the flow it will trigger. Okay. So first let me call the just let me call the script. Okay. So under the so using this button. So how we can call the script? Okay, that is the major thing. See, basically in our Power Automate, we have an option. I mean, so to call the Python script, okay, using the bat file, we can call the scripts. So using that technique in Power Automate, I have built a. Let me show you. See, create bat file. Here I have built one of the simple flow. I have created one of the simple flow. Just one step only, nothing else. See here. Okay. So the triggering from Power Apps, whenever I click this button, then I'm passing these two, one or two inputs. Majorly only stock name I am passing, okay, to this flow. Then here you can see stock name reference ID, it's a optional, leave it. The stock name it is required. After getting this one, here see inside create file, the action name is actually this is a create file. Using the create file action, however we can create Excel file or any different dot or text file. Similarly we can create bat file as well. That's why here you can see I have written dot and sorry dot bat. And then this is I have placed here dynamic content, and then whenever bat file it is created, these names it will come and place there. So whenever we call the bat file, those parameters it will pass to the Python, right? See, you can see this is actually extra I have written. Then just after running the bat file, it will ask just yes or no. Okay. Then see here, you can see here I have passed my Python, where is my Python location and where is my script location both. These are the parameters. Let me show you the script as well. I mean, sorry, dot. Let me show you the dot file as well for your understanding. Okay. Let me show you this output code, how it look like. See, this much only. Here you can see. So dynamically, whatever we need, we can we have to place in the Power Automate the where we are creating the bat file. So in that content, if you pass the dynamic names, then that those it will come here and we can utilize that one. See here, stock name, I am passing this one, this much, and these two are the parameters, right? Then let me call this one how it will work. So I have show you. So this much is the flow, and then another flow is there. I will show you that one. First, let me call the anyone recently. These all I have tested. Couple of cases here pending. Okay. See, let me the India Siemens Limited. So this India Siemens Limited here the current price change not yet updated. Yeah, let me call this one. Whenever I click this update stock, this pipe. Okay, let me call this one. Then you can see how it will perform. Just I'm going to click this one. Yeah. See, after clicking this one, the flow, okay, immediately the flow it is calling means the flow it is the bat file it will create. After that one, immediately I have written a code to download that bat file. I will show you that one. Hold on. Okay. Meanwhile, see, I will show you how it will look like. See, let me, after getting this file, we need, it will ask keep or delete, just, okay. So you just click on keep, it will take a little time. See, the file it is, now it is ready to, now it is ready in the, your downloads folder. You can see here as well. See, okay. File it is available, you can call from here or else from download section. Let me show you the code as well for your understanding. Uh, yeah. Meanwhile, okay, so I'm calling this one. It takes around 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, you can see this one how it will work. Open file. Then now it is asking pop up. Just click run. Whenever you click that one, now the bat file. Okay, let me open. Let me call this one. Okay, see. After clicking the bat file, I have written a code in the bat file. Means uh, to come this question, to give this question, can I continue, yes or no? Okay, just to protect uh, call multiple times. Okay, after clicking yes, it will start the executing the script. I'm pressing y. See the stock name India Cement Limited. These are the two parameters. It is coming from Power Apps and passing into the Python. Then here, yeah, enter the India Cement Limited. Then open the particular name, open the particular company name, extracted the just demo purpose I have extracted only 3-4 fields. That is the stock title name, then current price change. You can see plus 7% it is increased last Friday. Then percentage. Uh, Sorry, something missing. Okay, nothing. Yeah, per price change, that is the amount, and then percentage in the percentage mode, right? Yeah, that's it. Simple. Python script executed, done. Just I'm going to click it. Then after this one, so now Python script executed. After Python script executed, here I have written after getting the after extracting the all data, it will updating into the Excel file. See here you can see extracted all data. I have moved, see Mm, yeah, I am opening the particular file, Excel file. Okay, so here I am passing the all required values. After this one, just a file. save, close. Then I have built one more flow. Okay, so that flow here update list. This using with the help of this list, whenever Excel file modify any values, automatically this flow it will trigger. When an item or file is modified, based on this one flow, it will trigger. Then and the particular Excel file having the list table format is there. From their values it will capture and then passing and then using the update item because my data in the SharePoint list. So that's so that particular line item again I am updating the current price in percentage. So the unique key, because why I am passing two parameters from the Power Apps to Python. One is the stock name that is required to get the values, and ID it is required. That ID, with the help of ID again I updating in the SharePoint list, right? See here you can see I have built like this one, this much only. Okay, and then let me let me show you. This is a very common action only. Okay, here you need to pass the SharePoint site Excel file, the Excel file path it is coming from triggering. Okay, auto triggering. uh, then just this I guess no need. I directly I thought to take okay, I thought to store into the variables, but directly I have passed here. Okay, and then sorry, yeah, this much. See here you can see the results. Okay, where is that one? I have opened this one in the edit mode to edit mode. Okay, so I have opened this one to show you the code, but before that one, see here the we have run the cement India Cement Limited because this is not yet refreshed. That's why the values it is not showing. I did not return anything to refresh this one, so just manually I am going to click refresh data. See here you can see the whatever the line item updated recently, that is moving to the top. India Cement Limited we got a 392 rupees. Then this is much values just 14 10 15. See here you can see 3 minutes back it is updated. That's it. So simply the so the why I have built this solution, basically Python the Python script integration in Power with the standard connectors, how we can utilize, right? So for that one, I um, I tried this one. So this is working effectively. So we can call in any type of Python script. We can there is no any limitation. So even in my other projects, I have built very lengthy Python scripts as well. Even one Python script it will run to 1 to 2 hours, 3 hours as well. Means for SAP automations, I usually for SAP automations I built using Python itself. So from Power Apps itself, I will trigger that all. mm, I will trigger all the Python scripts from the Power Apps itself to automate SAP system like creating purchase order or creating the in or creating the service notification, service order, right? So in SAP automation, we can do many things. Okay, the generally the operations teams, whatever they do, all SAP activities, right? Data posting or data extracting, downloading the any Excel files, or download the invoice files. After downloading, extracting the data from invoices files, this everything we can do, we can automate. So those using the Python we can do. Even with VBA also we can, but for a Python script we want to call in the Power Platform, then yes, this is one of the alternative solution. I will show you the code as well. There is no much code. Hmm, here. Okay, see, this much is code I have written. This much code I have written. I'm calling the Power Automate here. then passing the ID and stock name. Then these two parameters, it is created in these two parameters passing into the bat file. Then here, after creating the bat file, with the help of condition, whenever the flow it is success, then it will come. This is the to download the bat file. Even same like however we are downloading here the bat file, we can download the Excel file or PDF file, whatever files we wanted to download. Yes, using this is the SharePoint format, we can download the any files. So it will download into the local system, or else we can you open the we can launch the file, any file in the tab, or to download. This is the format. Then notify. That's it. Simple code. Nothing. I hope you understand. So yeah, thank you.